Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Today, I like to show an easy to make basic sweet red bean paste recipe. With this paste, you can make use of it as a filling for many popular Asian desserts. Let's start with step 1, soaking and cooking the beans. First, sort through the red beans and remove any stones. Next, rinse the beans and cover them with cold water. Soak the beans for at least 4 hours or overnight. To cook the beans, first drain the soaking liquid away. Rinse the beans a few times until the water runs clear. Then, place the bean into a medium-sized pot. Cover the bean with hot water. The level of water should be 3 centimeters above the beans. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Then cover the pot with a lid and let the beans simmer for about an hour. After an hour, the water level will be very much reduced. The bean will be softened and can be easily crushed when being pressed. At this moment, turn off the heat. Note, if you have a pressure cooker, make use of it because it will save you a lot of time to cook the beans. Finally, drain the cooked beans with a colander and reserve the water. In step 2, blending the beans. To blend the beans, add 2 cups of beans to a blender, then add 60 milliliters or quarter cup of the beans cooking water to initiate the blending. With a spatula, push the beans down from the side of the blender occasionally to help with the blending. If the paste is too dense and can't be blended well, add a little bit more liquid, for example 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time to facilitate this step. Blend the beans until it turns into a smooth paste. You will achieve this thick paste consistency. Repeat the process with the rest of the cooked beans to finish blending. Similarly, use 60 milliliter or quarter cup of beans cooking liquid to facilitate the blending. Now towards the final stage, step 3, making the red bean paste. To begin, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Then add half tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next, add the smooth red bean paste, then add the sugar and the golden syrup. Stirring constantly until the sweetener is fully absorbed. Note, if using other type of pan, use 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to prevent the bean paste from sticking to the bottom of the pan. If you are using bean paste as a filling for mochi or bread roll, this consistency is perfect for it and you can stop cooking now. But to use the paste as a filling for mooncake, you need to achieve a dry, thick density paste which can be handled by hand. The whole process will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, transfer the bean paste into a big bowl and let it cool while you are preparing the mooncake dough. Note, the cool bean paste can also be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for later use. Thank you for watching. Try using your red bean paste to make the popular Mid-Autumn Festival mooncake. Click the right top corner link to watch and learn this super tasty baked sweet. Thank you for watching. Try using your red bean paste to make the popular Mid-Autumn Festival mooncake. Click on the right top corner link to watch and learn this super tasty baked sweet.